For my experiment now, I'm using it from this toy. I got it from a birthday party. It's the toy Sandy Science Lab. This is the giant place where you get to store everything. Right now, I'm doing glow methods. If you look closely, you can see it. I'm doing glow. So, I'm going to tell you what things we need. The lab equipment. It is sodium alginate. I have a bag of it. Water. Yup, it's this thing right here. And calcium chloride. This thing. Now we have it. Now after that we have a syringe. Wait, where did that syringe go? There it is. This is the syringe. We have a beaker. The flask. And we also have this golden spoon. We have a mixing stick for mixing. And finally, just because of its name, obviously we need some glow powder. So you ready for the task? So it's time to do it. So first, in this beaker, using mixing stick. Okay, this is the beaker we're using a mixing stick for it. So now we need about 1.5 cups. Assistant? Yeah, he's going to handle the hard stuff like putting water. 1.5 cup. So we will reach the amount we want. And now we need to mix it with 1 spoonful of glow powder. Again, assistant. Okay, so he's going to add it and I'm going to drop it in. Now, fill the spoon. Oh, drop it. Yep, I'm from a high place, like on the countertop. That's how high. Spoon. Okay, now we're putting it inside the water. Watch it change. Look, now it's the same color as it, right? So now, after that, we're going to have to then mix in a bag, the whole bag of sodium alginate. Yes, everything. Let's open it. Now fill it in. Okay. Now since I'm a scientist, now I'm going to have to use the mixing stick to mix. Stir until everything is dissolved in this beaker. You've got to wait for some time as I mix. This is going to be hard. Okay, my assistant is doing this. So we just got to wait first until everything is gone. Yes, it will be gone in some time. It's getting dissolved. Fixing my gloves. It's still getting dissolved, right, Dad? Applying. You done? Okay, everything is dissolved. Now we may take out the stick. We may place it back where it belongs. You know. So then in flask, this is the flask, right Dad?
Yes.
Yep. So now we're going to mix. Now we need to. Now inside this flask, mix 1.5 bag of calcium chloride equal to 1/2. Here you go there. So open it and put 1/2. Yep, it makes this nice sound. So now, after adding the calcium chloride, you use the syringe. Let's press it. Now I'm going to have to take off my gloves for this one. These aren't helping. These gloves aren't helping. Okay, now I'm going to have to get the cal
You can add 1 cup of water.
in this. So yeah, let's add the 1 cup of water. Dad, add the water.
You can do it.
I don't know what 1 cup is.
It's fine.
Okay. Now we may use the syringe.
Listen, yes.
We'll use the syringe to get the sodium alginate.
Stir until dissolved.
Okay. This one also is stir until dissolved. So let's stir. Actually, I don't want to use this side. Dad, we have another mixing stick. Yep, this one we're going to clean. We don't want it to get mixed. So this is the other clean one. Let's mix. How do I stir this? Still stirring. Dad, is this dissolved?
Think so. Yeah.
Okay, so now it's dissolved. Now use this syringe.
Wait.
See, serum to dissolve.
To draw the sodium,
Alginate.
where is sodium alginate?
This one. No, that one, it's calcium chloride.
Okay.
So this one is sodium alginate, so. Oh, it's not coming. Which one?
This one is not coming. Get this one, then add it here.
No. It said see, it says sodium alginate mixture into calcium chloride. అట్లా కాదు డాడీ అస్సలు రాడు. ఓకే. So I think a stream is like 3 of these. So let's add another one. That's all. Now all we have to do is now we're going to take this, put it in that. Okay?
Read the instructions again.
Swirl the calcium chloride solution with the spoon. Here's the golden spoon. We can't stir this. It's unstirrable. It's stuck. We cannot stir. Okay, my sister is doing this weird, I don't know what this is. But after this, since we weren't able to put it in there, we're just gonna have to put it in there. Right, Dad? it's mixed. Ooh, some of it fell. That's good.
What did he say?
No, well, we have to put it in there. That, because if we put our hands like that, our hands will get dirty over here.
Swirl करवा देंगे.
Swirl the calcium chloride solution. Pull the slimy strands. Pull the slimy strands of chalk. So since doing something that uses my hands and I have to touch it, using my gloves. Yup, this one works. I can't pull it. How do I pull it? I can only get a tiny bit. What?
Yes.
I got the whole thing out.
That's fine. Keep it on.
Now let's put it in a petri dish. Okay. Charge under a... Now let's pull out the slimy strands. Okay. Now it's ready to be put in there. But we need to slice it first. Okay, let's put it here. But now we have to put it back in the bucket. We're gonna have to dump all of this here.